Good day, everybody. It's your girl, Delight, and we're down to the main thing, coding. Yes, and we're going to be starting with HTML, and we'd gradually progress together. I think we should know what we're doing first, so let's know what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is built up by elements and tags. Tags help to introduce things like tables, paragraph, headings, and so on. Most tutors would make you follow the long process and open it with the HTML tag, then the head tag, blah, 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 but shh, I have a shortcut. It's just to type exclamation mark, click on the enter key, and boom, it sets the template for you. But for now, we can't use it because some things have to be put in place for that to work, or should we? Okay, how about we do this? We'd stop here for today, and you'll comment whether or not we should just go ahead and start using the exclamation mark. When you comment, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll know when the next video is uploaded. Have a great day.